If it isn't Mr. D himself.
There he is, David Woolf. How you doing, buddy?
Well, thanks and you.
Hope I'm not disturbing you. You got time for a quick chat. But like I said yesterday, we're calling all our finalists for Pimp My Rig, and that was yesterday. Today, my man, we are voting the winner, and you just picked up that call. The winner of Pimp My Rig 2020 Season 1, David Woolf, ladies and gentlemen.
Dude,
Let's have it.
I just won, bro.
You won it. It's yours.
So my brother just wants to have sex with me right now. Yo, what's up?
What's happening, guys?
Yeah, this is my brother.
Congrats, buddy.
Dude, thank you. I did not expect that at all.
I don't think you did. I was hoping to catch you off guard, so I hope I did.
Oh my god.
Congrats, my man. You've earned it. You deserve it.
Thank you so much.
Absolute pleasure, buddy. I hope you really need it, because it's a serious system you're gonna get, dude. It's gonna blow your mind.
Dude, I cannot believe it. I'm speechless. I just want to shout and tell my whole family.
Go for it. You should.
All I can say is thank you so much.
Oh, dude, absolute pleasure, buddy. Thank you. Thank you for such an amazing entry, for putting so much hard work into it, and it shows. I mean, if anyone needs a pimped out rig, buddy, it's you.
A lot of sleepless nights, and my brother helped me a lot as well. Yeah, really did.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. That's more like it. It's a fiesta now, buddy.
Sweet.
Go
Sweet.
Celebrate.
Yes, indeed. I'll catch you on your stream.
Awesome. Go buy your brother some beers. He's earned them.
Yes, I'm gonna go right now.
Congrats. Trust me, you're in for a real surprise. You're in for a real treat, dude.
Oh wait, I'm so excited.
Awesome,
okay, I'll
buddy.
see you then, brother.
See you soon.
Thank you.
Congrats. Cheers.